Hi friends! Today is the first day of our Spirit Week at school. Today we get to dress up as essential workers that we think are our heroes. What is an essential worker though? Well, nowadays we have to stay home where it's safe and the germ out there can't get us, that mean old germ that we talked about before. Well, there's some workers that just have to go to work even though they can still get sick. And those people are the people you see at grocery stores, pharmacies, police officers, nurses, and doctors, and people like that. So today we get to dress up and say thank you to all those people. Now, in this video, I'm gonna teach you how to make a stethoscope out of the things around your house. Now, who wears a stethoscope? That's right, doctors and nurses, and they use it to listen to your heart. Now, we're gonna make it out of aluminum foil. Do you have any of that around? You're gonna need 3 pieces of aluminum foil. 1 long, 1 short, and 1 kind of in the middle. All right, friends, we're gonna take that really tiny piece and we're gonna ball it up into a sphere. Do you remember what a sphere is? A sphere has round edges and can roll. So let's try to make it out of this. We're gonna have some fun. And you can squeeze it as tightly as you can until it's nice and round. You can even try to roll it around in your hand like that. Oof. There we go. Perfect. Now you can put it aside. We're gonna get that long piece of aluminum foil out now. And we're gonna roll it really tiny until it looks like a worm. And you can squeeze it just like that. There we go. Does it look like a worm? Now you can put that one aside too. With our last medium piece, we're gonna do the same thing and make a worm, but then we're gonna bend it into a U shape. So let's try. Remember, squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. All right, here's our worm. Now we gotta bend it into a U. Ooh. Is that a U? Does it look like a smiley face? Yep, I think that's good. Now we gotta put these pieces together. We're gonna take our U and our big long worm. At the very top of that worm, we're gonna make it into a little bit of a hook. Boop, just bend it on over. There we go. Then you're gonna connect it to our U. And you can squeeze that hook around. Squeeze it. There we go. Now on the other side of that worm, we're gonna take our ball and we're gonna wrap it in this. And you can kind of make a hook on the end of this if that's helpful. And we're gonna roll the sphere onto the end until it's nice and snug. There we go. Now you can put the top of the stethoscope around your neck, just like that. And let's see if you can hear your friend's heartbeat. Can you hear your own? Ba-boom, ba-boom, ba-boom. There you go. That's an easy way to make a stethoscope, and appreciate all those nurses and hard workers out there. I also read a book about nurses to teach you more about what they do every day. You can click this link right here to learn more. I hope you had fun. I hope you're staying safe, and I can't wait to talk to you again. Bye.